Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Who doesn't like face masks? The feeling of complete relaxation when you forget the flow of time and get rid of all the stress. Normally, we associate face masks with going to the spa. But often you don't have the time to take a half day off, or you might want to try to curtail your spending. The solution is to prepare some homemade face masks for the skin. There are so many options when it comes to creating a face mask for glowing skin. The best part, all the ingredients you need you probably already have in your kitchen. Well, in this video I'm gonna share with you this simple face mask to get rid of acne and pimples and get a shiny skin naturally. Well, let's get started. All we need is fresh mint leaves, rose water, about 2 tablespoons, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mint leaves have a natural cooling effect on the skin. They can help soothe skin irritation, inflammation, and redness. If you have sensitive or acne-prone skin, mint can provide relief and calm the skin. Mint leaves are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the skin from environmental damage and premature aging. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of wrinkles and fine lines. Rose water is known for its hydrating properties. It helps to replenish moisture in the skin and lock in hydration, making it beneficial for dry or dehydrated skin. It can also help balance the skin's pH level. Rose water has soothing and calming effects on the skin, making it suitable for sensitive or irritated skin. It can help reduce redness, inflammation, and skin sensitivity. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture in the skin. It helps hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it soft and supple. Honey has antimicrobial properties that can help combat acne-causing bacteria. It may help reduce breakouts and promote a clearer complexion. Honey contains enzymes that provide gentle exfoliation, helping to remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter, smoother complexion. Take the fresh mint leaves and chop them finely or crush them to release their oils. You can mix it with a blender or food processor and add rose water and mix well until you get this texture. In a small bowl, combine the chopped mint leaves and rose water. Add honey. Mix all the ingredients together. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Using clean fingers or a cosmetic brush, apply the mint face mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 20 minutes to allow the ingredients to work on your skin. Rinse off the mask with warm water and gently pat your face dry. Follow up with your regular moisturizer to lock in the hydration. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.